In a small village, there lived a cat named Momo. He was a black cat with shining green eyes that gleamed in the night. Momo was not just an ordinary cat, he was deeply loyal to a little boy named Dika, who had taken care of him since he was a kitten. One night, while Dika was fast asleep, a heavy storm hit the village. Lightning flashed, and strong winds shook the trees. Amidst the storm, Momo sensed something was wrong. He smelled smoke and quickly ran outside. Sure enough, the kitchen of Dika's house was on fire. Momo rushed into Dika's room, scratching at his blanket and meowing loudly, trying to wake him up. Dika grudgingly opened his eyes, but as soon as he saw the growing flames, he snapped awake. Panicked, he tried to open the door, but thick smoke made him cough violently. Momo, being more agile, jumped onto the window and scratched at the wooden frame. He knew the only way out was through that window. With the last of his strength, Dika managed to push it open and crawl out. But just as he reached back to grab Momo, a loud crash echoed. The roof of the house collapsed, burying the inside where Momo stood. Dika screamed for Momo. But the little cat was nowhere to be seen beneath the raging fire. Villagers came running to help and eventually managed to put out the flames. But Momo was never found. The next morning, among the charred remains of his home, Dika discovered a small bell, Momo's bell. The one that had always hung around his neck. Clutching it tightly, tears streamed down his face. He realized that Momo had sacrificed his life to save him. Dika always felt as if Momo was still there watching over him, just as he always had. From that day on, whenever the night wind blew gently,